Are you looking for an affordable heat press to elevate your t-shirt printing game? Whether you're a new entrepreneur or a seasoned professional, finding a suitable heat press machine is crucial for achieving professional quality results. But with so many options on the market, choosing the best heat press machine for t-shirts can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best heat press machines that are perfect for printing vibrant designs on t-shirts. Number 1. Fancierstudio Digital Heat Press Machine. If you're searching for a versatile heat press that combines efficiency with quality results, then say hello to the Fancierstudio Digital Heat Press Machine. This powerhouse is equipped with everything you need to create professional-grade apparel effortlessly. This 15x15-inch heat press boasts a clamshell design, making it easy to use and ideal for pressing flat surfaces like t-shirts. Key features: voltage, 110 volt, power, 1400 watts, pressure, adjustable, heat press style, clamshell, temperature range, 0 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. HTVRONT Heat Press Machine. If you are looking for a portable but powerful solution for your heat press needs, the HTVRONT Heat Press Machine might be the perfect fit. This t-shirt heat press machine is designed for convenience and efficiency. This compact 10x10-inch press offers impressive capabilities for various projects, from sublimation to heat transfer vinyl and beyond. Key features: save up to 30% heat and transfer time. Maximum temperature up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. Audible alert when heat pressing is completed. Insulated safety base and auto shoot-off feature. Number 3. Lya Vinyl Heat Press Machine. Unleash your creativity and elevate your crafting game with the Lya Vinyl 5-in-1 Heat Press Machine. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just beginning your crafting journey, this versatile set is designed to bring your ideas to life with ease and precision. Key features: temperature, 302 degrees to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Works on cotton, polyester, ceramic, and more. Digital display and adjustable temperature for precise results. Beginner-friendly interface and clear instructions. Number 4. Topdeep Heat Press Machine. Discover the ultimate versatility in crafting with the Topdeep 15x15-inch 8-in-1 Heat Press Machine. This powerhouse of a machine offers unparalleled functionality, making it a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or small business owner. Key features: 8-in-1 design for various items, 15x15-inch large press plate, 30 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit wide temperature range, 0 to 999 seconds precise time control, digital control to ensure easy operation. Powerful 1400 watts heating ensures efficient results. Number 5. VEVOR Heat Press Machine. Upgrade your crafting game with the VEVOR Heat Press Machine, a versatile tool designed to bring your creative visions to life with precision and ease. Key features: 8-in-1 functionality, 15x15-inch heat plating, 360-degree swing-away design, dual-screen digital display, dual-tube heating technology, 30 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, let me share one last pro tip. Invest in quality heat transfer materials, no matter which machine you choose. It'll make a world of difference in the final product. Check out the links in the description below for recommendations. Also, you can check out our latest video, where we discuss the top 10 best heat press machines in 2024. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more crafting content and hit the notification bell, so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Thanks again for watching, and happy pressing!